Hello, my name is Larry Roy, and I've been in the online business area for probably going on 20 years. And I've seen a lot of programs out there, a lot of them not producing what they say they will produce. And out of all of them, only one actually paid out. I put 7 affiliate programs into a spreadsheet, and I tracked every single commission for a full month. And let me tell you, the gap between what they advertise and what hits your account is kind of infuriating. So here's what I did. I lined up 7 affiliate programs side by side in a spreadsheet, the advertised commission rate on the left, and what actually landed in my account was on the right. After fees, payout thresholds, holdback periods, and all the fine print that nobody ever talks about, most of these programs were quietly eating my earnings before I even seen a dollar. One program offered or advertised 50% commissions. What showed up? Closer to 31% after everything got skimmed off the top. And that wasn't even the worst offender. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Out of all 7, one program, HBA, did something the others didn't. My balance actually grew week after week. It didn't reset, it didn't get clawed back, it stacked. 80% commissions that compounded monthly. Daily live training, so you're never guessing what to do next. And tools that actually work instead of collecting dust in some membership portal. The difference hit me around week 3. I closed my laptop at about 5 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon. I wasn't chasing missed payouts, and I wasn't filling out support tickets at midnight, wondering where my money went. It was just there. But the real kicker was this: out of the 7 programs, only one paid exactly what it promised. No surprises, no hidden deductions, no, oh yeah, we forgot to mention that part. And here's the thing that changed how I think about building this around a full time job. You only need 2 referrals to be in profit. 2, not 20, not some impossible recruiting mountain you have to climb before you see 1 cent. 2 people and you're in the green. That math matters when you're squeezing this into early mornings and lunch breaks. If what I just talked about resonates with you and you want a residual income every where 80 cents of every dollar actually comes back to you with a done for you sales system handling the closing, go to https larryroyonline.com and click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.